Hi everyone, this is Teacher Faith. For this discussion, I will be teaching you this topic, integration by parts. So, to better understand this topic, I have here an example. So, we have the integral of e raised to the 3x cosine times 4x dx. So, to find this integral of this example, we can use integration by parts. The formula for integration by parts is the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. So let's assign a u and dv. So our u and dv substitution is e raised to 3x because its derivative is simpler. Then our dv is equal to cosine times 4x dx. So now let's find our du and v. So our du is equal to d over dx times e raised to 3x dx is equal to 3e raised to 3x dx. Now, an RV is equal to the integral of cosine 4x dx is equal to 1 over 4 sine times 4x. So now, we can apply the integration by parts formula. So we have the integral of e raised to 3x cosine times 4x dx is equal to the formula of integration uv minus the integral of v du. So simplify, we have e raised to 3x times 1 over 4 sine times 4x is equal to the integral of 1 over 4 sine times 4x times 3e raised to 3x dx. Then simplify. Then we have the integral of e raised to 3x cosine 4x dx is equal to 1 over 4 e raised to 3x sine times 4x minus 3 over 4 the integral of sine times 4x e to the raised power of 3x dx. Now, we have a simpler integral to solve, which is the integral of sine times 4x e to the raised power of 3x dx. So we can use the integration by parts again. So let's assign u and dv. So we have u is equal to cosine times 4x. Then our dv is equal to e raised to 3x dx. So now let's find du and v. So our du is d over dx times cosine 4x dx is equal to negative 4 sine times 4x dx. So an RV is equal to the integral of e raised to 3x dx is equal to 1 over 3 e raised to 3x. Then applying the integration by parts formula. So we have cosine times 4x times 1/3 e raised to 3x minus the integral of 1/3 e to the 3x minus negative 4 sine times 4x dx. So we have the 1 over 3 e raised to 3x cosine times 4x plus 4 over 3 the integral of sine 4x e raised to 3x and dx. So now we can substitute the value of the integral of sine times 4x e to the raised power of 3x dx that we can obtain earlier. So we have 1 over 3 times e to the raised power of 3x cosine times 4x plus 4 over 3 times 1 over 3 e raised to 3x sine times 4x minus 4 over 3 the integral of cosine times 4x e raised to 3x dx. So combining like terms. So we have 13 over 9 the integral of cosine 4x e to the raised power of 3x dx is equal to 1 over 3 e raised to power of 3x cosine times 4x plus 4 over 27 e raised to the power of 3x sine times 4x. So finally, we can solve for the integral of cosine times 4x e raised to 3x dx. So we have our final um, result is 1 over 13 times 1 over 3 e to the raised power of 3x cosine 4x plus 4 minus 13 times 1 minus 27 e to the raised power of 3x sine 4x. So that's the example of the integration by parts.